See, I found myself in the darkest place of the earth. You broke through the blackness and shed your light on me. You called my name and you freed me from confusion. Lord, you set me free for eternity. What great love for me, for your prodigal son.